चैनल द ट्रू आइडिया। आज हम आपको अपने नए सब्जेक्ट बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट से संबंधित 30 MCQ बताने वाले हैं जो आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए मददगार साबित होंगी। सो आइए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट इज़ नॉट स्टडीड। ऑप्शन ए सोशल एनवायरनमेंट, ऑप्शन बी इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट, ऑप्शन सी लीगल एनवायरनमेंट एंड ऑप्शन डी कैपिटल आउटपुट रेशियो। इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन नंबर डी कैपिटल आउटपुट रेशियो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फेरा was introduced in A 1963, B 1973, C 1953 and D 2003, and the right answer is option number B 1973. Next question number 3, FERA represents A industry, B small scale, C labor, D owner, and the right answer is option number A industry. Fourth question, full form of FERA is option A Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, B Foreign Exchange Regulation Agency, C Foreign Exchange Countervailing Agent, and D Foreign Export Regulation Act, and the right answer is option number A Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Next question, full form of FEMA, FEMA. Option A Foreign Exchange Management Act, option B Foreign Exchange Management Agency, option C Foreign Emergency Management Agent, D Foreign Exchange Management Agency, and the right answer is option number A Foreign Exchange Management Act. सॉरी यहाँ मिस्टेक हो गया था, एक्ट होगा ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, FEMA was introduced in option A 1990, option B 1989, option C 1999, option D 1991, and the right answer is option number C 1999. Next question, Government of India replaced dash FERA with option A FEMA, option B FRBMA, B Monopoly Act, and D FRTP, and the right answer is option number A FEMA. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया फेरा को किससे रिप्लेस की थी? फेमा से। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फॉर बेसिक स्टडी ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट ऑप्शन ए लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग, ऑप्शन बी मैक्सिमम आउटपुट, ऑप्शन सी टेक्नोलॉजिकल अपग्रेडेशन, ऑप्शन डी सोशियो इकोनॉमिक चेंजेस, एंड द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी सोशियो इकोनॉमिक चेंजेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू? Option A, macro forces are uncontrollable, B, the demographic environment does not differ from country to country, C, circumstances, environment, raw material included population and growth rate, and option D, all of these, and the right answer is option number A, macro forces are uncontrollable. Next question number 10, the most important reason for slow economic growth of India is A, lack of capital, B, backward technology, C, low productivity, and D, lack of skilled labor, and the right answer is lack of capital, option number A. Or question number 11, in which year UNCTAD bone, UNCTAD bone? Option A 1989, option B 1964, option C 1956, option D 1960, and the right answer is option number B 1964. Next question number 12, where is the headquarter of United Nations Conference on Trade and Development are located? Option A Netherlands, B London, C Geneva, and D Tokyo, and the right answer is option number C Geneva. Next question number 13, MRTP Act was passed in the year option A 1947, option B 1995, option C 1916, and option D 2002, and the right answer is option number C 1969. Next question, strength and weakness are related as A internal environment, B external environment, C large environment, D none of this, and the right answer is option number A internal environment. Next question number 15, what is the external force of SWOT analysis? Option A, strength and weakness. Option B, power and confidence. C, opportunities and trade. D, none of these. And the right answer is option number C, opportunities and threats. Option number C, sustainable development means A, sustainable economic performance. B, attention to social environment. C, harmony with nature. And D, all of these. And the right answer is option number D, all of these. Next question, question number 17. Which environmental factors controls the values and also control the traditions and customs of the society? Option A, political and legal factor. Option B, technological factors. Option C, economic factor. And option D, socio-cultural factor. And the right answer is option number D, socio-cultural factor. Next question, question number 18. In the environmental analysis, the letter PEST framework stands for A, ecological, B, economic, C, ethical, and D, educational. And the right answer is option number B, economic. Next question, question number 19. Is the process by which organization politics monitor the relevant environment to identify opportunities and threats affecting its business for the purpose of decisions making? A, predictions. B, evaluations. C, observations. And D, none of these. And the right answer is option number C, observations. Next question, question number 20. To analyze the cost structure of the industry on its own, they affect A, middleman. B, supplier. C, consumer. And D, government. And the right answer is option number B, the supplier. Next question, question number 21. What is the price sensitivity of the market microeconomic environment element is important factor? A, supplier. B, market. C, middleman. And D, customer. And the right answer is option number D, customer. Next question, question number 22. Who occupies the central position of marketing environment? Option A, consumer. Option B, customer. Option C, organization. And option D, all of these. And the right answer is option number A, consumer. Next question, question number 23. The relationship between organization and environment can be described as A, by information transaction. B, by transaction of instrument. C, transaction of power and influence. D, all of these. And the right answer is option number D, all of these. Next question, question number 24. Which of the following is not a part of economic environment? Option A, market and business cycle. B, consumers buying pattern. C, strength of consumer spending. And D, interest and exchange rate. And the right answer is option number C, strength of consumer and spending. Next question, question number 25. The study of human population is called dash environment. A, political environment. B, demographic environment. B, demographic environment. C, universal environment. And D, economic environment. And the right answer is option number B, demographic environment. Next question, question number 26. Which of the following is the business of change in the policy of government and the impact on the industry? A, increasing competition. B, need for changes. D, C, customer demand. And D, all of these. And the right answer is option number A, increasing in competition. Next question, question number 27. Liberalization means option A, planned disinvestment policy. B, integrated among economies. C, expiry of license and lack of government control. And D, none of these. And the right answer is option number C, expiry of license and the lack of government control. Next question, question number 28. Which of the following are dimensions of business environment? A, economic and social. B, technological and economic. C, legal and social. And D, all of these. And the right answer is option number D, all of these. Next question, question number 29. Which one of the following does not explain the effect of government policy change on trade and industry? A, increasing competition. B, customer with high market demand. C, market oriented. D, change in agricultural prices. And the right answer is option number D, change in agricultural prices. Next question, and this is the last question. Relaxation of control and restriction imposed on trade and industry means? A. Liberalization, B. Globalization, C. Privatization, and D. None of the above. And the right answer is option number A. Liberalization. ये थे हमारे 30 MCQ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग और कुछ क्वेश्चंस के बारे में जानेंगे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.